Want to make your own stickers on iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create your own custom stickers on iPhone. Now let's get started. You can make a sticker out of any photo in your iPhone camera roll. You can do this with photos you've taken, saved from the internet, screenshots, and more. Open the Photos app and go to a photo you'd like to turn into a sticker. Hold your finger down on the part of the photo you want to use as the sticker. Then tap Add Sticker. Your sticker will then be created and added to the sticker section of your iPhone's keyboard. You can apply special effects to your sticker by tapping Add Effect. Effects that you can add include outline, comic, puffy, and shiny. Tap an effect to add it to your sticker. Then tap Done to save. Repeat this process with other images to create all the stickers you'd like. To use your new stickers, open a conversation in the Messages app. Tap the plus sign to the left of the message text box. Then tap Stickers. Tap a sticker to add it to a message, or hold and drag the sticker to stick it to an existing message in your chat. You can also use your custom stickers in other apps like Notes, Photos, Files, and Mail, along with other apps that support sticker use. That's all it takes to create custom stickers on your iPhone. Want to make your own emojis? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.